Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you about how to do voice typing in Microsoft Word with Windows 10. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. So basically, this thing also works with Windows 11 as long as you have an up-to-date Microsoft 365 in your computer. To get started, go to your Microsoft Word, open up a blank document, and in your Home tab, you can find the feature in the top right corner. It's called Dictate. Click it, and if you want to start it, click this microphone icon until the icon turns blue. You can check the settings to modify your microphone sources and also available language in your computer. This feature only works for available language installed in your computer. For any additional language, you need to download the language package first from the website from Microsoft. So let's now do an example. I will read these sentences and see if it works. Create an interactive outline of your documents. It is a great way to keep track of where you are and quickly move your content around. To get started, go to Home tab and apply heading styles to the headings in your document. As you can see, since the auto punctuation mode is on, each of the sentences get a period automatically, but you can turn it off and add a punctuation mark with your command manually. Now, the auto punctuation mode is off, so there is no punctuation in this paragraph. So, what do you think? Pretty easy, right? Thank you for watching and good luck.